Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be going over Bitcoin and the short-term trend. So I'm starting off here on a 4-hour chart. So each candle represents 4 hours of trading action. And I have this downtrend outlined where we've come down to this line here several times and bounced off it. So you can see how the first time, again, third time, and then just a few hours ago we had another bounce off this line, and it was pretty strong, right? We bounced about 5% over just a few candles here, similar to this move right here as well as this one. And I just want to discuss where Bitcoin might be going over the next few days and weeks, and this will largely determine what happens to all the altcoins. And um, I think that if we can see Bitcoin follow through here and similar to this move, just kind of keep going and come back up, if we take out this high, then that would be very significant, right? We would have definitely sort of left this $40,000 region, but also we would have a lot more positive sentiment and overall feelings about the market, right? When we're down below 40,000, obviously a lot of people are bearish. A lot of people are saying, oh, it's the end and prepare for sub 30K. But we can see how quickly that sentiment flips if we just get back above, say, 41 or 42,000. So a lot of the short-term moves are a lot of sentiment kind of feelings, and that's why I don't want to cover too much short-term analysis on the channel, because a lot of it is just kind of repetitive back and forth, right? If you're overexposed, you're going to be very, very nervous on the short-term time frames, or if you're underexposed, maybe you really want to buy in, but you see a candle like this and you think, oh, I'm never going to get that chance to buy back. So if you have the right exposure, usually short-term trading is not very beneficial for you. It can actually be harmful if you're trying to stay long-term and you're trying to see a longer-term vision. The short-term moves can have like a sway on your emotions and opinions. But anyways, I do think that a bottom is probably in play here, where we see a similar move to these past bounces, where we at least get back up to the 41.5 region. And if we can reclaim this 43 high, then I think that would be very significant, and we would probably be targeting some of these higher levels towards 45, and then eventually 46, and then eventually 48, right? So we have these intermediate peaks that we can target, but obviously we got a long ways to go. We've just recently, very recently, bounced off this trend, so you're gonna have to give it time. And if we do get back above this high, then you can probably expect further continuation towards those other higher intermediate peaks. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope to see you in the next one. If you did like the video, please subscribe, and comments and feedback are greatly appreciated.